Hi friends, today is Monday, May 18th, and we're going to continue learning about number stories. I'm going to go back to this test that you guys took before spring break and show you which question about half of us had a little trouble on. So the question says, Joseph had 9 pennies in his piggy bank and 3 pennies in his pocket. Then he found 5 more pennies. How many pennies does Joseph have all together? One good mistake that a lot of you made is that you found 9 plus 3, but you forgot to add the 5. All I did was put these 3 add-ins together, and now I can add them. You can draw circles if that helps your thinking, or you can do something even better by adding add-ins together. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn this 3 add-in equation to a 2 add-in equation. I'm going to add 3 and 5, which is 8, and then bring down my 9. Now I get 9 plus 8, which I know is the same as 17. You can show your work like this on a piece of paper at home, or you can draw your circles if that's better for your thinking. Let's do one more together, and this time you're going to help me out. Gumbo has 5 bones. Then Ms. McIntyre goes to the store and buys Gumbo 3 more bones. Finally, Gumbo goes on a walk and finds 2 more bones. How many bones does Gumbo have all together? Which 2 add-ins do you want to join together? Those are really great choices. If you said 3 plus 2, which is the same as 5, that was what I was thinking too. I'm going to bring down my 5. And what is 5 plus 5 the same as? That's right, 10. You guys are so smart. Go ahead to the Google Slides, and you guys are going to answer some other questions that have 3 add-ins, and then write your answers there. Have a good day.